This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the biggest difference between Lightroom and Photoshop. Lightroom is primarily a photo management and editing tool, perfect for handling hundreds or even thousands of images efficiently. Photoshop, on the other hand, is a powerful pixel-level editor designed for intricate image manipulation, graphic design, and compositing. The core distinction lies in Lightroom's non-destructive catalog-based workflow versus Photoshop's layer-based, pixel-focused approach. Lightroom truly shines when you need to organize and process a large volume of photographs. It offers robust tools for global adjustments like exposure and white balance, along with local corrections using brushes and gradients. You can apply presets across dozens of images with just a few clicks, making it incredibly efficient for photographers who need to quickly refine and export their work. Photoshop is the go-to for detailed, pixel-perfect editing. Its layer system allows for complex compositing, where you can combine multiple images seamlessly. With advanced selection tools, masks, and retouching brushes, you can remove unwanted objects, perform intricate skin smoothing, or create entirely new digital art. It's essential for tasks requiring precise control over every single pixel. So, when should you use each? Start with Lightroom for your initial photo culling, basic to advanced color correction, and exporting large batches. Then, if an image requires intricate retouching, object removal, or combining with other elements, move it into Photoshop. Many professionals seamlessly integrate both, leveraging Lightroom for workflow efficiency and Photoshop for ultimate creative control over specific images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.